Hi guys and girls, my name is Dan from geekchronicles.ro and today I'm gonna show you how you can replace a cutter blade on your cutter. First things first, you must get this part right about there. On the bottom part of your cutter, you should see a tab like this one. Maybe on your cutter it's a different tab, but doesn't matter. What you're going to do now is stick your finger here and pull towards you. Now, with care, remove this part, because on the majority of cutters you will have the blades stored inside the cutter. For now, we're gonna put that aside. Now, slide this carefully open until it makes like a click. But as a note, when you are pulling it like in the end of the track, you will feel resistance here. Note that here is the blade, so you must be very careful. What I do usually is prop it in my hand like this, and in my thumb slide it, and here you can see I can control it. I won't let it like slide open and cut my hand because that would be very bad. Now I'm gonna remove this and get rid of the broken blade. Now I'm making a mess here. Now you get your pack of blades, or just get a blade from the spare compartment. To remove the blades from the spare compartment, again with care, slide the blades out the compartment. Take this plastic thing where the blade will sit, and I'm maneuvering the blade like this. Install the blade here, hold it like this. Then I slide the blade first in that groove, and then with my thumb I'm gonna push it until it clicks. Now it clicked. Make sure it works as intended. Okay. Now I will add another spare, just an extra, because this holder can hold a maximum of 2 spares. Now I'll separate one spare from here. Be careful because the blades are usually a bit sticky, because they have like a protective oil coating on them. So you separate them like this to minimize the probability of you cutting yourself, because that's not good. I'm gonna slide the blades again in this holder, and like this I'm gonna stick it back in their place, and I'm gonna click this safety thing, plastic thing, back in its place like so. And that's about it. That's how you basically change a blade on your cutter. Now it's a good time also to use some WD-40 and grease the internal part of the blade if you notice that there is rust. But also it's good to oil it in order to maintain it and make its movement a bit smoother, even though WD-40 is not really recommended for plastic. For under $5 cutter, it won't damage it, I promise. Do it a bit of wiping to remove the excess oil from it, and that's it. If you like the video, like it, subscribe for more quick and dirty tutorials, I guess.